Guys, we are going to be picking up an abandoned Ford F450. Let's go pick it up. Let's go point the marker on the map. Because that's where he told me it was. He told me the address and stuff. My account got hacked. That's why I'm back to like the square one. If you want to see more Off-Road Outlaws or Drive X or No Limit Drag Racing, just say so in the comments. Okay, guys. I will speed this up. Guys, we were going the wrong way the whole time. Guys, we respawned in because I needed to, or yeah, so I'll see you in a minute. Guys, we're pulling up on the building. I'm gonna do a whole series about the... Oh, wait, is that it in there? Yeah, I'm gonna try and get it out, guys. Alright, guys, we just got it out of the pickup truck. I mean, out of the barn. And we are gonna go to the garage. I'll see you there. So this is the results. This is what I built it to be. And in my opinion, I think it looks pretty darn good. I gotta like mess around with the rim size, but yeah, I'll do that with you guys. The front one's are way too big. So rear car is bigger than the... Wait. Max? Oh yeah. We need to upgrade the rear end, guys. Alright, let me do a little money run in my three-wheeler. Sorry guys, if it's a little loud. Guys, I hope you really do like this video. I haven't posted in about a couple minutes. Maybe for sure. So, I really don't know what to say. Hopefully that's enough. Please.
Yes.
Bruh.
Good, how about you, Russell?
I believe that's enough to finish the rear end. No, I'll pause it for you guys. And guys, I finally got enough. Rolling dubs, what the fuck? Wait. Guys, do you like it? I'm gonna try and make this thing a wheelie machine really quick. I'm gonna see if it can